The world is fast changing. Science and technology continue to advance, population increases, industries expand, market reaches heights. Where almost everything is growing, on the good side or on the bad side, resources are the shoulders to lean on. All countries know of this. Resources, financial resources, as answers to the demands of a country's growth can either be sustainable, just enough, or not enough at all. At this point, the world learned the process of public borrowing and welcomed the idea of public debt. Recognizing the role of supreme audit institutions in the sustainable debt campaigns, management and audit, the INTASAI established Working Group on Public Debt.
Hi, welcome to the Working Group on Public Debt, or WGPD. I am Michael Aguinaldo, the chairperson of this working group. I am also the chairperson of SAI Philippines. The WGPD is one of the working groups under the INTASAI Knowledge Sharing Committee. The WGPD is a specialized body on the audit of public debt. It is mandated to prepare and publish specific guidance, best practices, and other informational materials to encourage the proper reporting and sound management of public debt. It is also mandated to support SAIs in developing their knowledge and skills in public debt audit through the exchange of knowledge, experiences, information, and collaboration among WGPD members, partners, and stakeholders. It is towards this end that the group has undertaken Project 2.9, or the GID on the Audit of Public Debt, which has just completed its exposure stage. Ultimately, our goal is to devise guidance towards publishing internationally accepted public debt standards and best practices. We are amazed and delighted at how much has happened in just 3 years. From 25 members in 2017, the group has grown to 37 strong, with the size of Argentina, Austria, Azerbaijan, Bhutan, Brazil, Bulgaria, Chile, China, Ecuador, Egypt, Fiji, Finland, Gabon, Georgia, India, Indonesia, Jordan, Kenya, Korea, Kuwait, Lithuania, North Macedonia, Maldives, Moldova, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, the Russian Federation, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Turkey, Ukraine, the USA, Yemen, and Zambia as its members, and the SAI of France as observer. With this composition, the regional classifications of all ASEFs, AfroSAI, AraboSAI, EuroSAI, ASOSAI, and PASAI are well represented. The growing membership is very encouraging. SAIs in their respective countries find public debt management has significant influence not only in the fiscal health of governments, but more importantly, in the delivery of social services. Herbert Hoover once sarcastically said that the young are blessed, for they shall inherit the national debt. As auditors, we can at least contribute in making sure that the inheritance becomes bearable in the long run, and the programs and projects funded by loans are used judiciously for the benefit of the future of our youth. I welcome you all in this booth and in the WGPD. I hope you will find the next presentations inspiring and helpful, and the available brochures informative. For further information about the WGPD, you may visit our website at www.coa.gov.ph/WGPD or www.intasai.community.net/WGPD. You may also contact the WGPD Secretariat in the email address you find in the screen. Thank you.
Our SAI, State Audit Bureau of Kuwait, joined the working group in July 2018.
Our SAI, the Audit Bureau of Jordan, joined the working group on public debt 20 years ago.
Our SAI, the SAI of Austria, was one of the founder members of the working group on public debt.
The SAI of Chile joined the WGPD, aiming learn and interchange experience on public debt external control.
Our SAI, the SAI of the United States, was one of the original members of the Working Group on Public Debt when it was established in 1991.
Auditing the public debt was one of the themes of the 13th INCOSAI Congress in Berlin in 1989. It was the time when states observed growing debt to GDP ratios, which were accompanied by the rise of the welfare state. On discussing the topic at the Congress, several delegates proposed to install a committee on public debt. They agreed to question the INCOSAI members whether they were interested in such a committee. The SAI of Austria executed the survey. 39 member countries answered the survey. 27 were interested in the Committee on Public Debt, and 20 countries were prepared to participate in the committee. Based on these results, the committee was established in 1990, chaired by the SAI of Mexico.
Our SAI joined this important group because we believe that we have a major role to play in exercising independent external oversight on public debt in our country.
We joined it because it brings together delegates of all member of SAIs to exchange ideas, experiences in relation to public debt auditing.
We also observed that in actual work, many issues regarding to external control of public debt turn out to be similar in different countries, so that the elaboration and improvement of audit standard is one of the activities that WGPD members may participate and increase knowledge.
The SAI of Austria benefited from its membership insofar that it continuously participated in the discussion on public debt auditing. This enabled us to integrate current issues such as internal control or government guarantees in our audit work.
In Chile, the net public debt has been increasing gradually in last decade from minus 19.3% of GDP to 5.7% of GDP in 2018. This increase indicates that the evolution of public debt must be observed and execute an effective auditing in all its dimensions.
In 2019, we used a number of instrument and techniques that the WGPD made available for all SAIs in preparing an audit report about internal versus external borrowing in Jordan for the last 12 years, in which we conduct several analyses and audits about the evolution of the public debt, the changes composition, and the effect of accumulating public debt. And we have presented 8 recommendations to enhance public debt management.
Joining the working group will keep us informed on the latest relevant developments within the INCOSAI community, such as decisions and recommendations from INCOSAI and the Knowledge Sharing Committee, relevant modifications made to the INCOSAI strategic plans and frameworks, development made by other INCOSAI entities, introduced to initiatives conducted by other international organizations such as the UNCTAD or the World Bank.
So in the early years, we were able to establish relationships with the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, and those relationships provided us an expertise in the area of public debt. We were then able to use that expertise to perform audits in that area. Specifically, one of the products we were able to produce related to frequently asked questions on the U.S. government's federal debt, which informed the Congress and the public about this important area. We then were a key contributor to the development of the eSAIs. Specifically eSAI 5410 that relates to internal controls and public debt.
We have also gained knowledge on the INCOSAI Development Initiative materials, such as the handbook of the INCOSAI on public debt. It will also help us to have more unified approach in conducting public debt audit.
We could also strengthen our knowledge and skills in auditing public debt by participating in the ongoing Project 2.9 that consolidates the current eSAIs on public debt into one guidance.
More recently, we've been a contributor to the new GID 5250, which provides guidance on the audit of public debt. We continue to feel strongly about the issues of public debt and fiscal sustainability, and our involvement in the working group provides us key information related to these areas and helps inform our ongoing work.
We congratulate the SAI of the Philippines that it was able to initiate this project and to deliver an exposure draft of the new guidance 5250 within such a short time.
By joining the working group, we would gain knowledge on the most recent global public debt relating auditing topics and trends, and we will have a chance also to benefit on the work and capacity building plans related to public debt auditing.
Because of our membership in the working group on public debt, we were able to share knowledge and experiences, tracking the newest about standards as well as guidelines and the case studies.
In this sense, involvement in producing the Guide of Public Debt Auditing or to be involved in any other WGPD project is a great opportunity that makes one feel that small contribution of one may result in adding value and quality to life in different places of the world.
Community of practice refers to a close group of practitioners of public audit of a particular supreme audit institution or more than one supreme audit institution or international associations, bodies of various supreme audit institutions like INTOSAI, etc. form for a common purpose for interaction among the members. Interaction among the members of a community of practice on a regular basis is facilitated by an online tool hosted by the INTOSAI community portal. The interaction among members of a community of practice is moderated by a manager appointed for that purpose by the portal administrator. The manager of a community of practice has the following privileges. 1. To add or delete members, documents, videos, photos of the group. 2. To create and facilitate different discussion threads for the members to interact. And 3. To moderate and monitor the level of participation of members of the group. A library facility available in the community of practice helps in keeping track of various changes for better management and retrieval of documents. The working group on public debt under the ambit of INTOSAI has an active community of practice engaging in meaningful discussion on various activities of the group. The members of the community of practice engage in free online communication like sharing of news, events, documents, photos, videos, and engaging in discussion threads, polls, survey, video conferences, webinars, etc. A representative of SAI India is the manager of this community of practice at present. Thank you.